Gwama na so to this gwama problem. In a will be wa hu. Akure. I just me I do my drink. I dey come here I do my drink.
Mommy lao ye, yate gwa ye me ni lao. Meteo, where not about your brand mom this TV, mama. Otavo, you only from it over the river. Mama, it's all, you don't say that when I go mama, you take your mama away. When they from Victor Genania, I like me every brand mom this TV. I may secret or if I'm Victor. Oh, mama. Mama. Okay, mommy. What of where's the mommy? Where's it? Please, my people. I want to beg you for something. And I don't say this life. Proud Mom Gist TV. Now, person. Hello?
Madame, me de podio.
Okay.
O fe wa ya kin. O fe wa ya to fe kin. Ku wa o ke Monica o wa ya wa gbe o kin yi o fe wa kin 2022 saga continue. Le no get to where yes them. Mo ka na we ya won we kejin yi.
Tu es Proud Mom Gist TV. Ala mi kele fa Victor ye. Le Proud Mom Gist TV ga ni de le gbe ile do le do aro mi ma ati ni Proud Mom. Eleni. O mo ha go do zebune.
Boy, Baba with this man. When he be live video, he be wahara. And okay, damn you. Yes, so my people are good to know better style. This is Frank Victor, the Umewe, one of the universe, the social media king, the social media kubana, the social media no one, the social media go basen. And no give. Me, I know they talk with me, I know the video do. When they type live video, yeah, they could one you will know say yes, I'm a man. It's a lawyer. Okay, you expect us to just see me with that woman, we just day. I'm not go fuck her. Yet it's a lick your head because it awake him. You understand? Uhe ne gbe oko uhe no rie o pe adayi ne bi o. Wa je ba ke no pare ba. U mo gbegbon sigbon wa gbon sigbon no mu fo wa. Isha. Enogi, do we won dio. Gumen send audio nuwe. Call him when gumen send audio gwe. Lu nye pe. When Baba with this man. A problem Gist TV. All that live video the full gbe. And when the full gbe you why gbe. Okay, I don't have business with that. It's not my business. I'm a man. Any loose guard dog is gone from my hand. If you are a single mother, you lose guard for Baba with this man. I'm very free. You understand? You understand? You cannot say when there is salary say who the window the first in marry where I don't do that. Or what the first in any marry, only love in marry. Proud Mom cannot force me to marry her. That's me for you. While I 200 live video presenter. Ofen wakne tinje. Ofen aharame waji. Omomo wahi. You don't force to marry. You beg for marriage. You beg for love. Only I love you. Una we mo nyi we na deyo. O mara e ori yo ungo yo. O wo wa de kun. Wa salo agenu ya saliere re salo a. Pe apiko ya bad no get control. So you look me see as I the live video so I can't go marry that kind woman when they talk anyhow. Woman will not get respect. Clap for yourself. Wazaga. You are bola wagbe. Omo se ore live video ugba we fi wen. Je ba ri amala wa abi na boy. But for me I go marry you, get belly I go marry you. No, for this abroad. Not get belly, I come marry you. Because some want to go marry person will not get room for us. All the people who are live video, all the people who are live video. Go make up about you. Audio go make about you. Oko no tori, single mother, no tori. How can a single mother who is full of lies see man put for her? For relationship, no matter how you beautiful rich, man must study you before you go marry you for us. And okay, if you put Osawe say, you not study Osawe say because of document, you just give woman belle they go. That is the reason why Osawe say become a wolf in your house. You marry wolf put for us. If you are a wise man, you must study the kind of woman who you want for us. Forget the fastest picking the person they come. If wolf gave birth to you, gave birth to children for you, all the children will get now wolf they be. Because if you as a man not get sense, you go marry a woman will not get sense, you not go let born eat bedside and stupidity, full cup hand. You dey feel me so? So because woman just fine, as a guy master just be like this, woman just see me, you just say this guy do like video and presenter, he get followers, then one just grab me to herself. When you know say I get woman for house, when you know say that me and Oyibo dey stay, and they talk now with English, don't be saying now with Bini. I don't want to use Bini Kele this man. I don't bless now only Bini people they listen to me. You deal with white woman, black woman, when just tie you for her because you just see fine, boy. You get document when they never see for life before. It is a document that they find. I make me see dates now. There's a document I just live. Let my problem. This is a document I live for. A woman who never born for business for the past how many years now. If I document my problem, woman for never born for me for the past how many years now. Why nyanga say me I not get sense abi. Igual the life video do ari bude no me ni bude me lo enegbe me because I stupid. That woman, you and man get something under 2 weeks. Under 2 weeks, you just expect maybe the man just turn your own. Relationship of just 2 weeks, you just expect maybe the man just turn your own. Inside that 2 weeks, now full of course. Or never respect no be. I feel the live video here now they talk. If you see me after live video, I'm different. If you see me after live video, I don't feel they follow you, they talk all this talk. Instead that they think my after live video not to calm down and they use my brain for better things. Now you will see woman, all go erowa, everything nagging. Any man where marry woman where they nag, they end up for beer palo. If you are a man, live video presenter women, not only look the appearance for social media, go close where you look at. If not so it be for house. Go close where you look at, so it be for house. Woman were born for 2 months, the 2 months not stay with her. Now the woman they find married by fire by force. Without man when you want to enter the marriage, you don't know so you go think, you go look where ground before you enter. As a man, woman born 2 picky for man, he born two different picky for different father. You not stay with her. Before you go live with that kind of woman, you go study that woman very well. Know what to mean that woman. That 2 men don't stay. If that thing will make you stay, common sense is not common. I don't want to talk, I keep quiet. You don't miss I be fool. Not be all relationship with man dope. It go lead to marriage. For this life, men they play married men, they get women for house, they see they play game. They dope codedly without their wife not gonna know. You feel me so? So you always expect, say you can't see because you see say frank vacancy. Frank vacancy, you want grab onto yourself, maybe your own. And the funniest part, may God not let me marry a woman will go take me away from my family. Woman will be say, I'm not going to pick call. Another woman call for her presence. When you know the kind of person where you be, public person, you know if you pick calls of another woman for her presence. You go drop phone for them before you call, you go into your privacy. Go to check your phone, you check your messages. Then you see people with the smile like me, and you can't look that kind of woman, computer for us. I will kill them before I know what will happen. And that kind of woman can never be my wife. If me and you get anything we do, now we just chop ourselves. You chop me, I chop you. Fine, everybody will carry on. Then the next thing you tell me, say, I get belly. I get belly. You want to use belly to type about what they smell for grand. I buy for you. As this type you get belly, you turn single mother phase 3. Single mother phase 3. The same woman, when you go love to the go to meet your enemy, they follow the rapport. They follow the flow. Your own enemy will go to follow the flow. You go know who your enemy. You go to follow the flow. That kind of woman you go expect to be that kind of woman to be your wife. Now people are they asking a question. Those about with this man, you keep quiet. How many weeks now? This is I don't know what they do. Make peace for rain. I was shortalized yesterday when Yanivier called me. Yanivier called me. I was surprised when Yanivier called me. What did that happen? Why did they call me? Say, get audio way in here. Which audio? Say, get audio. You know, yes. Which audio? Forward the audio for me. I hear. You say, one audio. When you go sleep with one woman, you come and call it down. Say, which audio? Forward the audio for me. Forward the audio for me. I listen to the audio of Yanivier and what do they call them? Avielele and Pradmore Gist TV. I play and laugh. What's that? This one they fool itself now. This one not concern me. I mean, a guy man. I follow woman run things. I chop and clean my work out my own. What's the level? I be big boy my own. I don't get that time. But me all this one they kill yourself. I don't concern me. Two women they fight because of one man. Woman will not send you. You they fight because of one man. The man not send you. The man put you know that woman has this. They enjoy himself. Now they kill themselves because of one man. But they will cook beans. This one a child is not one the things we will do for what we do Nigeria. What they bongo for Nigeria. I beg God this one. If you never know, it doesn't come on for live. Come on for live video. Say what did happen. What thing want come on for live video? The audio deal with me. How they play and make the year. How they fear to fuck me? They fool themselves now. You do what? Bina ye Frank. Oh, I got waga Frank. Waga any ah. I'm worried about going to go because I'm going to do feel work. They were that who feel work. My milk can't be you. We are moving go. Sister Yakala,
who be your second?
You know, when I was not with the church, got the church plan. I'm my second, but she did fine.
Me and you the check plan. You know you they talk to. Now if you you follow. And me and you the check plan.
But no, with the church plan.
Me and you sheriff Frank.
You just come up and ask, now your turn, huh?
Frank, yes, but you for record Frank now. You go record and say you are.
Why go record and 2 weeks in now? Enough fucking sit petrol with them everywhere with the nut.
Listen, may I tell you, you be useless. Single mother, wait, don't get it. You know the shit. What kind of men where you going for?
I know your own call. He tell you are the eternal life. What else you want? Oh, sure. Not to say eternal life. You see, go what I will need to pay you.
This is 2020.
Audio Sarah.
This is 2022. 2021. Are we a bad fit?
Are we a man?
What go and fake a friend? Man, no, if ever boyfriend. Single mother, no one look, you're not the way.
Not be prank. You know, say I quiet all this way. Not be prank. Egbe wa woman. And not here. Larry. And not here. What? A book winner. Oh, if you want. A book winner. Oh, move your wa. Equal in control. No. Equal in control. In self-discipline. Oh, move your wa. Or be a level or one. That's the reason why I like when I busy now. Or say like when I make control. That's the reason when I'm here where you no be and I disgrace you on social media. That is the reason why, because you marry a woman that don't have control, a woman that doesn't have self-discipline. Oh, do set go. Oh, no, even not rubbish. You cannot say it in my presence. You know the reason why? We are he coordinated. It's Sunday, but misbehave. You dey feel me so? I know the tolerate nonsense for woman. You to be we rubbish in it phone on it. In a dinner memory man call very and this is what exposed her. This video now, this recording now, the very recording now, or exposing me. Because in a dinner and anyway, you know the call any of them, you know the call any of them. You know how many call what, you know they call it here, you know they call any of them. Then my eye be on her. I they look me. My idea on her say, this woman, ima pure. Ya call her, come, we show woman call you. We call you, we imagine now. Me, Gama, all our conversation, which she send, they bully people on fake account. You know what I'm saying? A conversation with a voice record no big game, and a voice record no big game. Single mothers, who they always use their children, they swear. When they know what thing they do, and they pity those children. May God forgive you now. Who are you mon be a vebo? Who are you mon we be ya vebo with an on my way and where they anyway? Or when you call a viale, you call a vie, you call a but today, this first record came to me since about 3 to 5 days ago. Every first record not agreement. Before days ago. Every first record I didn't play it. Until yesterday, I was surprised if you call me. Ni mozofa, ni forget a zone, mammy, gui. And you know what now? You money like when you came one, ni be careful, basing gomoda. No, like seriously? Forget me, I the quarrel, but I must tell you the truth. This woman, you know you're good at all. Why you going to do this kind of thing? What's be a problem? No, what tell me the food in one shop. You understand? Fine. Now, if you do. What a woman now, it's a shame. See, I go this woman's house as all of us see for live video. Fine, I go assist her normally. This woman, Proud Mom Gist TV, all the room, and if not be saying that the wisdom where I still use, maybe for parts like this one. We did one of the see so. Each one now just the beginning. What is they call her? Kate, give this woman a strike for her YouTube. Kill this woman YouTube. I say kill this woman YouTube finish bar. Let me hear. I know the record person, but my brain na recorder. Nothing will happen 10 years ago. For analyze on. I want to tell you now so. She called Eddie Murphy. Eddie Murphy help am beg Kate. Kate no gree. He call. What do they call this woman? What be this woman name? Susie. Then he called up the ground. The next he called me. Because I help and beg Kate. I tell her, say me and Kate na enemy. I don't know Kate. Kate don't know me before. I don't get anything to do with Kate. And as I say, call a party, she don't call a party, Murphy. Party, but Kate not here. I say, really? Say yes. I say, okay. I can't lock up. As they talk, this girl call. What be her name? Ekia Queen. Ekia Queen call her. After Ekia Queen call this girl, Ekia Queen tell her, say, Kate, say make you help, make you join her, strike her YouTube, make they kill her YouTube down. So the thing that can't touch me. Say, okay, so this women they plan evil to take kill you, say, Proud Mom Gist TV YouTube down. And I said, no, the thing can't touch me. Now I said, okay, don't worry. Let's see what I can do. First of all those your video with your YouTube, you need to privatize them. Put up a private. While they listen, no. She can't say she don't know how she wanted to do one. She don't understand that. She calls me, I mean, she give me her email. Me now, I call the fear because me not come be like anything go put to that YouTube because something already I put to the YouTube. Me not come be like saying me do one. You understand? That kind of if you do one, you go there, you go see and say you dey assist that person. When I listen you Adam yo. When I share this video. So not quite long. Kate, normally say Kate and Ekia Queen don't already strike this woman before Ekia Queen go call this woman. Now what it provoke me? As before we know what to happen, YouTube don't send message, go give this woman say, since strike. If